Say hi to Alex. Alex is an IT head at ABC Corporation. Alex's primary responsibility is to develop software at a rapid pace with his team while staying within budget. Alex excels at his job, and he excels even more when he has perfect technology and the right resources at his disposal. But something bothers Alex. His team's operational efficiency is being hampered by the complex toolchain in place. The development lifecycle is being slowed due to a lack of visibility. Alex is aware that if he can streamline the technology and put the right team in place, he can speed up the software development process. How will Alex overcome these challenges? What is the solution? GitLab is a tool that may be able to solve Alex's problem. GitLab is an end-to-end DevOps platform that will aid in the automation of the software development lifecycle. Value stream analytics in GitLab can assist him in gaining end-to-end visibility across the development and deployment processes. GitLab brings teams together in one application, from project planning to production. However, Alex and his team are already using tools purchased by ABC Corporation several years ago. Is it really helping Alex and the team deliver software faster? If not, is it worthwhile to look for a DevOps tool that will not only speed up the release but also allow Alex to have visibility across the entire process without the need for multiple tools? GitLab is the only end-to-end DevOps platform that delivers faster products while increasing team operational efficiency. And everything takes place in GitLab, ensuring application development security. Wondering how GitLab can do so many things? Let's connect.